What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and also get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and especially 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description and it's definitely worth every penny. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it. Dow is down 0.21%, Nasdaq up 0.5%, and S&P absolutely flat on the day, still holding on to 4,200. And if you look at these groups, nothing new here, guys. Again, technology leading the way on top, real estate, consumer cyclical, financial, and then we have on bottom energy getting a massive hit today, deep in the red, consumer defensive, basic materials, healthcare, and also utilities. So on SPY, absolutely flat right now. But early in the morning, pre-market, Nasdaq was up, Triple Q was up 1.5%, and SPY was also up more than 0.5%. And now, as you can see, came all the way down to 418.74, and looks like it's just holding 420 as a support for now with low volume today. So tomorrow, guys, and we got low volume today, key level to watch is 420. And if that gives up, we could be retesting 416 to 417 and then even right here 415, this trend line going into tomorrow. Now 420 so far holding, and that is looking bullish whether you like it or not. This thing holds 420, definitely we're going to see 430s on SPY, and that could be coming in next few days because this thing holding 420. SPY breaks below 420, then watch out, like I said, 417 to 416 to even 415, this trend line, and then white line 20 SMA at 413.62, and that is gonna be a key level to watch on SPY. As long as SPY above 420, definitely this thing heading higher, 430 is possible. So on Triple Q, it's still up 0.5% and looks like it's holding 350 as a support, and that is going to be a key level into closing in 24 to 23 minutes and also into tomorrow morning. So 350 needs to hold. Below that, we could be coming all the way down to 340s to retest this blue line 5 SMA. I mean, it's not nowhere close to blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart, sitting at 340.69. So there could be a retracement down to this blue line 5 SMA. But if this thing actually holds 350, the next stop will be all the way up here at 360. Below 350, definitely, I mean, this thing needs a pullback. I mean, look at this RSI on the daily chart. 75, 76, so it's getting overextended, and I think we're going to see a pullback in the short term down to 340s to 341, and that is possible on Triple Q only below 350. Above 350, 360, and then we could see that pullback on Triple Q. Now we do have support below 340, also down here 333, 334.72, orange line 13 SMA, and the gap down here, like I said, 333, and that could be coming in next couple of days on Triple Q. But until then, guys, that 350 holds, definitely there is more room to the upside, and overextended can stay overextended for at least a couple more weeks until we get a significant pullback. So if you're shorting, definitely do not go all in, or if you're shorting, definitely prepare to add more at 360. And now we're going to look at IWM Russell 2000 ETF. So on IWM, it's down 0.27%, and you can see a lot of weakness here on IWM. It's not getting over 178 and also barely holding 175 as a support, white line 20 SMA. And if that gives up on IWM, definitely coming down to fill this gap down here at 171.56, and then also retesting the support at 170. Above 178, that's gonna be a big resistance to break on IWM. definitely this thing can run all the way up to 181.28 to close that gap on top, and then possibly retest the resistance at 183. And above 183, IWM out of the woods, and we're going to see a bull rally on IWM. But as of right now, this head and shoulder is still intact on IWM. And if this thing actually breaks below 170, there could be a lot more downside, possibly down to 160s or even lower. And now we're going to look at DIA. On DIA, it's down 0.15%, and just like IWM, not participating in that rally with Big Tech and Triple Q, it's actually coming down. And again, looks like we could be retesting 326 again, daily 200-day moving average right here on DIA. And that is going to be a strong support below 329.50. Blue line 5 SMA, 326, and then the gap down here at 322.46. To the upside, DIA needs to break 333 and then watch out for 336 and then 340, the gap on top. And now we're going to look at VIX. On VIX, it's up 0.57%, and I do want to share something with you guys on VIX on this weekly chart. I mean, look at this MACD. Looks like it wants to get that cross to the upside, a bullish cross here on MACD. And look at what happened last time, and not to mention the ones before. But just look at last time. It was down here at 18. Look at this move up to 30 plus. So now, if this thing actually breaks 20 and VIX gets that bullish cross right here on this MACD, on this weekly chart, yes, we could see a pullback in the market, but I'm not calling for a crash. We could see, SPY, possibly Triple Q going down $5 to $10, maybe even 15, and that would be a nice healthy pullback in the market, and that could be coming very soon, guys. This thing gets that breakout above 20, and the MACD actually gets that positive bullish cross to the upside. Definitely we're going to see VIX going up to 23, 26, possibly up to even 30, and that is going to be a healthy pullback in the market to buy that dip. And that is all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.